The blind stares of a million pairs of eyes, looking hard but won't realize that they will never see the P.
With Don figures, real chicken ringers on nickel-plated non-triggers. Must see my enemies defeated. I catch them while they walked up and eat it open fire. Now them niggas bleeding. See me in flesh and test and get your chest blown. Straight out the west, don't get blown. My adversaries cry like ho, open and shut like dope. Is you a friend or foe? You ain't know. They got me stretched out on death row. I seen money, but baby, I got to get more. You screaming go to pop, and I ain't stopping till I'm well paid. Bills paid now, look what hell made. Visions of cops and sirens. Niggas open fire, bunch of thug life. Niggas on the ride until I die. Ask me why I'm a boss player getting high. And when I'm rolling by, niggas can't see me.
The stares of a million pairs of eyes, and you'll never realize you can't see.
We're getting word that these square motherfuckers with nerves saying they can get with us, but picture me getting served. My own mama say I'm thugged out. My shit be popping out the record store as if it was a drug house. My lyrics bang like a crip of blood. It ain't nothing but a party when we thug. And there I was, a young wicked with heart, ain't had nothing to lose. Pulling my pistol on them fools. You know the rules. DRE, you got me eat it. My words like a penitentiary dick, hitting this shit where it's most needed. Money and weed, Alizé and Hennessy. To my thugs, they getting locked down. Witness me. Bail on these hoes and flow smoke. The life of a boss player. What you thought though? My enemies deceased. Die like a bitch when my album hit the streets. Niggas can't see me. Niggas can't see me.
what you waiting